Alright, wait up in just a second. Right now. Wait up in just a second. Right now. Uh-oh, there it goes. Uh-oh, there it goes. Hey, what's up? TGIF, welcome back everybody. Jason, Kat, Zelly, mi amor, mi corazón, Kat, Momo, Jason, Fishy, Pamela, la 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 la, Pamela. We was trying to summon you yesterday, Pam. We was all wondering how you were doing and how much you've been grinding and hustling. I hope everything is good with you and that everything is well, Pam. Much love. Big hugs. Giant hugs to everybody. Like, what's going on? Now, Jason G, can you remember what time was it that you saw that glitch from Goldman Sachs? Can you imagine? Like one of those geeks that like talk with the braces and retainers. Oh shoot! Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on, Pam. What's going on? I'm gonna go back to car living. Wait, hold on. Did something happen to the RV? What's up? I mean, it's up to you if you want to share. You want to share what's going on. We're pretty much all here for you. So, by all means. Okay. A foreclosure on your friend? You kidding me right now? Oh my god. That's effed up. They couldn't just give it to her. Like, that is so dumb. Not even like some type of relief and oh, that's even worse. Are you kidding me? This 80 years old and they're just doing that? Oh, people got no souls. I'm so serious. Like, people just got no souls. They don't even care if a person is like 100 years old. Like, you kidding me? Oh, so they can just take it over and then rebuild it and flip it? Just to be a greedy ass? Oh, they got a lot of damn nerves. One way or another, they're listen. What goes around comes around. When things hit the fan in the markets, all hell is gonna break loose. Just watch when the housing market crashes. Oh my god, what? Unbelievable. I'm sorry, y'all, but like what Pam was just talking about, it's just outrageous and just sickening. Like, cold-hearted. They just don't care. I didn't even know it was that hard out there in Florida too. Wait, was it in Florida? Wait, hold on. No, you're not in Florida. What am I talking about? Should have stayed in there and been like, I'm not leaving. You're gonna have to force me out. Force me out. Oh, you can. I don't care if you give me $1 million. I ain't leaving. She said kicking and screaming. Oh shoot. Oh boy. It's freaking terrible, bro. What did Zelly say? But yet we have 10 million that have a roof over their heads and 20K cash per month. She's gonna end up in an Alzheimer lockdown. Oh, yeah. So what is the? I mean, besides living in the car, like what's the next step? Y'all can't take any legal action for that. I'm guessing it's completely legal. Fucking ridiculous, man. Oh yeah, drag it out as long as you can. Make them suffer through it. I don't even care what it takes. Nah, you're gonna stay strong and you're gonna muster up and you're gonna fight as much as you can. You know what? Eventually, time will eventually be on our side. And we're literally gonna come out through this in victory. We're gonna see everything come into fruition, and they're gonna wish that they didn't do what they did, and it's gonna come back to them twice as much, twice as hard. They're gonna feel it, and they're gonna wish they never ever messed with her house. And I'm telling you, karma is a bitch. All these freaking greedy bastards all around, karma's a bitch. They will know. They will know eventually. And what we discussed early this week, after the whole interest rates cuts, we know that history eventually will repeat itself. The markets are not going to look good. It's never looked this bad, and they're gonna know. They're gonna find out. They're gonna find out the hard way. Everyone that took advantage of retail, everybody who decided to short companies that had benefit the sick, the people that have cancer, all of that is just gonna come to fruition, and it's gonna backfire, and they're gonna go down. Retail, like I said, will prevail. And I know when there's a will, there's a way. And you just gotta have the patience. Y'all gotta have the confidence. Y'all gotta have the mental fortitude, the strength to be able to continue to fight through everything that you got. And I'm pretty sure that things will look up for the better. Not just for you, Pam, for herself too as well, and everybody else here. This is the moment that we've been waiting for, and we are waiting patiently for that moment. So by all means. Craig in the chat, welcome back, Craig. Johnny Johnny, are you still driving, or you are in traffic right now? Listen, all I know is that they're not gonna take everything. As much as they can try. And we're gonna be living better. We're gonna be living greater than before. We just gotta know how to prepare ourselves. We gotta know how to hedge ourselves against what's coming. It's inevitable. We've been talking about this for a long time. A lot of people have been talking about it in forums and Twitter, and just gotta continue what you're doing, and you know what you're doing. You know what you're investing in. You know how to prepare yourself. And when you know that you're good and you're well positioned, there's nothing to be worried about. There's really nothing to be worried about. The moon is coming, just like Kat said on chat. The moon will come. The rockets will be engaged and ready to thrust. Honey is going to be screeching like never before. Honey will be screaming when I choke the living. No, I'm joking. But I believe in the process. I trust the process. AMC and GME could be going through its stuff right now. We know the whole process that it supposedly, allegedly, apparently, it's a managed event. So for right now, they're both suppressed. They're controlling this. They're controlling the way this price action is going. But when the time comes where they don't have enough ammo to do what they're doing, they're gonna fail. They're gonna fail terribly, and quite frankly, they won't be able to control the beast, because when that crash happens, allegedly, in my opinion, they're gonna have to go into their positions, their big positions, their tech stocks, their mega cap stocks, all those stocks that have been highly leveraged and with margin. They're gonna get so screwed with margin calls. Everything is gonna backfire, and it's gonna have a trickle effect. Is that what they call it? Trickle? I can't even. A ripple effect. I said trickling. It's gonna be trickling down. We're gonna have a ripple effect. You're gonna have a domino effect as well, and it's all gonna add up and build up in pressure, and everything will eventually just explode. Not financial advice, but you know, their dominoes will be falling at the same time as we will be snowballing and balling with a lot of cash. A lot of cash that we would have never imagined in our lives ever before. Yeah, I swear. Bankruptcy, closures of firms, hedge funds, collapsing, a lot of stuff. And we're gonna be so freaking rich. We're gonna be so filthy, freaking wealthy. They're not gonna be able to do anything about it, because we're gonna come out on top, and we're gonna live great again. We're gonna live great again to the fullest, and without any worries. I believe in the process. I trust the process. Good evening to everybody here once again in the Lion's Den with your truly lion of all trades. Thank you to Kat, Kevin, Craig, Momo, Pam, Eric, Kat, Kenneth Investments, Zelly, Fishy, Kevin. You're awesome. Johnny, Lunchtime Rodriguez, Pam, you already know. Much love to everybody in here. We're gonna be Pelosi rich. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you guys already know what to do. Let me know in the chat. You guys already know what to do. You already know how to hedge yourselves. You already know what's to happen when the supposed dollar will crash. The cryptos that you get into, not financial advice. The positions that you're diamond handing right now. This is all a process. This is what we're learning. And as much as we get all this information and we learn from this, we're going to benefit it greatly. And we're going to come out on top again, like I said. Let's see, because Craig is Okay, Craig is talking to Pam. Okay, got it. So you can apply for loan mitigation. Says Kane. Says Craig to Pam. So. Not loan advice. But do look into that. I need to charge my phone. I completely forgot to charge my phone. And I had wrote on my phone, but I don't think that person is paying attention. Tu sobrino. How absolutely rude. How rude to message someone and not respond. Like, are you kidding me? What do we got here? It's so crazy. Listen to anybody. I like when everybody helps each other. Oh, Cat's about to adult right now. Oh, Cat. We'll catch you later. All right. Good luck adulting. And she's gotta put the kids to bed. Anyway, let's see what the I'm gonna see if I can actually find. No, Cat, what is going on? Wait, hold on. We need a. Oh shoot. All right, be easy, Cat. We do what you gotta do. We respect what you gotta do. Just hit us up. Give us an update. Listen, I like this. I like the fact that we're able to help each other. Shout out to Craig with that information. And that means a lot. That means a lot. It means a lot to Pam. So shout out to Craig. Give him a big, great roar to Craig. And this is why we're all here to talk about it. And if anybody has information or anything that can help somebody, That's what matters. That's what truly matters. So oh my god. All right, be easy, cat. Uh-oh. Is Jason G still here? Let me just type his name real quick. Never say bye, cat. Just say hasta luego. Hasta later. And yeah. So positive vibes, positive energy. Great words, great words. Shout out to you, Pam. And you already know we all got your back. We're supporting you and giving you all the energy that we can. No, seriously, in times like this is where we all need to come together and support one another. Give each other a nice push. Some nice positive vibrations, energy, and so. But like I said, we all eventually will come out through this strong, and it's only a matter of time. So just keep holding on, and eventually, all the signs will eventually show us that we are closer than ever. Look at this. This is what Jason G. Shout out to Jason G. is talking about here. Parth Patel here posted at 11:07. Did the market really figure out the actual price of Goldman Sachs, or is this just a glitch? Okay. DH, Detroit's own native gamer. What's going on with you, native gamer? Welcome back. So can we talk about this? Look at this. Goldman Sachs here at 11 o'clock UTC 4. UTC 4, is that considered Eastern time? Oh, it is. Oh, it is Eastern time. Let's look at this other screenshot here. Insanity here. It actually counted for the range being from 496 to 502.05. Can you believe that? Do you guys want me to start over? Okay, so welcome back everybody to another edition of the stream. here at the Lion's Den, there's truly Lion of all trades. Much love, giant hugs to everybody, and happy Friday evening, Saturday morning, and yeah. So, what an incredible but crazy ride in the markets with the SPY and just going up and down. We got a couple of runners out there, and yes, it's quite exciting because I don't think that the SPY would ever reach $600 a share. I think this is definitely the top, in my opinion. Very, very crazy indeed. Like, you have no idea. No idea. So, we're going to go ahead and find out right now because we just had word. Okay. And again, Jason G pointing this out that Goldman Sachs here, the day range as it verified at $5, trying to hide the chart because it's true, and the true value of Goldman Sachs reveals itself to be $5 a share. Is this really a glitch or is this really legit? And a big swipe of something of some sort. What do you guys and gals think about that? Just look at that. So this took place at 11 o'clock. So what we're gonna do here for Goldman Sachs is I'm actually going to see if I can find exactly that. Let's see the range though. The range, either it fixed itself or it probably did not record that. On Webull, it doesn't show that too as well. It says the low of 495.48. But what if the time in sales says something different? Because there have been instances where on the SPY we've seen on the time in sales different orders and with a different price per share, either way lower or way higher than the actual share price at that moment. And this is why it's nice to just take a look and see what we can find. And I think that, you know, maybe we can be able to track this down. But in the meantime, what else is going on the markets? I like to stream. It's crowded. Hmm. 12. I haven't seen 12 in like 3 months, 4 months. Feels like it's been longer, right? He only got to come into the stream like a couple of times and then he never came back. Just like a few people that we know. Oh shoot, what are we doing here? Or will the banks be illiquid and not have enough capital in order to survive? But you know, regardless if they were to do reverse splits. Yeah, I don't know if that's possible, but that is an interesting question. That's an interesting thought too, Kenneth. But who knows? Because you know, we have heard also, just looking at the smaller banks, the regional banks, and how it's possible for the bigger banks to gobble up all of them, sort of like in a monopoly type of thing. I'm pretty sure only a few of the big banks would survive. But I'm pretty sure the smaller banks that haven't involved heavily into the commercial real estate and the loans and all that, I'm pretty sure they're the ones to suffer first and go through credit runs. I mean bank runs. Huh. Imagine that. Wait, are they actually going up right now, or are you just shouting out the coins? I love me some more XRP and XLM. I don't think I can get H bar on Coinbase, unfortunately. Oh, it was? This is gonna take a while to go through. I had 536 and somebody left again. I was like, oh damn, that's sad. Uh oh. If oh Johnny Kenneth was just talking about banks. If they were to allegedly collapse and they needed to be saved, would they be required to go through a reverse stock split to stay afloat or listed and stay on the big board? I'm just wondering about that. What are you saying, honey? Honey? Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 Uh-huh. Rico's starting to make different noises now. Especially when the water turns on. It tries to mimic the sound of the water. Oh, you took him out of the cage? Oh man. Oh my god. Remember that the fan is on. Okay, here we go. I finally made it to 11 o'clock. Goodness gracious. I mean, it's actually been a lot less noisy as well. Yeah, mom is actually carrying it right now, sitting with it in the chair. Just trying to pet it and all that stuff. She's being a mommy bird right now. Oh wait, she's trying to bite you? Yeah? Really? Mom is really trying to like discipline the bird from trying not to bite. Tranquilo. It's like trying to fly. Oh, they're gonna take it back to the cage. Uh-oh, getting punished. Getting punished. Uh-oh. I'll be tight if, wait, what? Oh, that means, SQQQ, stayed, break even at 783 on the close of aftermarket. Yeah, I would have been like, wait, hold on. So, like, even SQQQ is going through some glitches here. Like, what is going on here? All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this was recorded on Time and Sales. I doubt it, but let me see something. Oh, they're not gonna have it here. They're definitely not gonna have it here. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Let's see. All right, let's see. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna take a look here. Lucky is right now sitting here in between my laps and getting a good lick up and down like a lollipop. Lucky. Okay. All right, Lucky. We're gonna take it to the bed. Let's see, cause it took place at let's see, 11 o'clock. Let's go back and look at it right now. I mean, cause they literally showed us here on it says it right there, 11 o'clock with 28 seconds. And this thing went negative $498.84, dropping 99.01%. Yeah, DH. Yeah, guys, this is crazy. This is insanity. Oh, look another oh, wait a minute. Did this happen twice? Let me see. Can anyone else see the Goldman Sachs ticker on Google search? All other tickers work fine. What the hell? Same thing happened with Berkshire. Berkshire Hathaway? Oh boy. So we got Berkshire doing the same exact thing too? Let's see. Let's find out. Yeah, I remember, but it happened again? Let's see. Oh shoot. Oh, that's Berkshire B. I don't see anything right here. No. Okay. Great. Yeah, I don't see anything here as of yet. I am trying to look into the time and sales right now and see if we can actually find that price on here, but it looks like it's not here at all. I'm literally looking at 11 hours, 0 minutes and 28 seconds, and it's not showing up. If I go a little bit more forward, let's see. Yeah, they're not gonna have it in there. They're not gonna expose what happened, and they're gonna just remove the glitch, quote unquote, allegedly, supposedly, apparently. Not financial advice. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere right here. Not yet. Yeah, I don't see it here. Yeah, it's not here. It doesn't show. Wow. Wow. Oh wow. My god. It's not showing. Great. Rise GME to 30 on Monday. So yo soy tengo. Yo soy tengo. What is that even supposed to mean? Okay, well. Hey, look at this guy right here. Buy XRP and XLM and forget about the rest. Hey, not financial advice. Okay, there you go. Let's see, 10 hours ago. Huh. I mean, it would have been hilarious if that actually triggered some margin calls, right? Travis posted that. He was in disguise of somebody else. Oh, what do we have here? Energy, banks, financials. Oh, wow. Did you guys remember here? The banks ranked by derivatives. Speaking of Goldman Sachs, number 1 with 53,221,165,000,000 in derivatives. Goldman Sachs. I wonder what they're trying to do. That is something crazy. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yo soy tango is related to asking ChatGPT about goat set CX, which you forgot to do last night. Okay. All right. So let's talk about like what Adam Aaron said 3 hours ago. And this is what he said. It says here, Wednesday's interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve of 50 basis points should save AMC about $10 million of interest expense per annum, giving us an extra $10 million or so of cash savings each year. This is such a very good and much welcomed news for AMC. Ka-ching, ka-ching. No one has a perfect crystal ball that can accurately predict the Fed's future rate actions. But wouldn't it be helpful for AMC if the Fed would continue to reduce interest rates by another 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, or more basis points in the near term future? Hey, is he talking in coding right in codes right now? I asked Lion to stop flirting, giving ChatGPT mixed signals. Sounds like Zelly's jealous, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Jelly, 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 jelly. Zelly jelly. Zelly jelly beans. Zelly jelly beans. Zelly jelly, zelly jelly, zelly jelly, zelly jelly, zelly jelly, zelly jelly, zelly. What? Not financial advice. Not flirting advice. So I wonder if Adam Aaron is actually talking and speaking in code, or I mean, like, why else would he ask this question here, right? Or make the statement and say, no one has a perfect crystal ball that can accurately predict the Fed's future rate actions, but wouldn't it be helpful for AMC if the Fed would continue to reduce interest rates by another 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150? And then in parentheses he says, or more, with 3 question marks. 3 question marks right here. GCA. Oh, what's good, GCA? Give it a big roar. Give a big roar to GCA. Big roar to GCA. Much obliged. Like, is he really? You know what? I just wonder if he's really trying to stir some type of animosity or a rumor that he was speaking in code and kind of giving us a little bit of a prediction here on what could happen. Or is this more of, let's say, the price targets near-term future? How near are we talking about here, Adam? How near? How near are we talking about? Let's see. Each such 25 basis point Fed. Can he speak? Each such. What is each such 25 basis point Fed rate reduction could save AMC another approximately $5 million of cash interest expense per year as well. Here's hoping there will be many more rate reductions ahead. Okay. Well, what are y'all take from that? What is your opinion on that tweet? He seems so excited about these rate cuts. Huh? Let's look at the comments below. That cut wouldn't be so impactful if the debt wasn't so high. How do you justify being paid millions of dollars a year with this performance? Let's see. Oh gosh, there's still that whole talk. Like if there's like some type of division. Here comes the elitist from GME. I'm not an elitist, and I own many tickers. Crazy. Someone here named Colin says, good. Keep rolling it into paying down debt so there is no risk of bankruptcy. A strong balance sheet, lack of debt, is the only chance to get some institutional buyers. Let's see what else. Sounds like the board is getting some more raises soon. Says Triple G. When will you address your shareholders' value? What are you doing? What are you doing to help your shareholders? Somebody here, don't forget to give yourselves hard-earned raises. Use it for that, or isn't it enough? This guy says all this means is dilution coming at all lows. This person said, not sure if this post is tongue-in-cheek, but if you notice, no other CEOs are parading their debt plus Fed cut as a win. Posts like these make us all look like doofuses by association. Anywho. Oh, Jesse, welcome back. Happy Friday evening to you, Jesse. How is everything? Jesse Julby, another Floridian in the house. Say word. Huh. This guy is like, I got a crystal ball. More dilution coming to AMC soon. You rat face POS. There's a lot of hate. But how much are you going to make a year? I think it's time you quit the company since you already made your millions, mofo. Well, we got other people from Florida here. GCA from Florida. Jesse from Florida. Pam from Florida. That's what's up. You got Floridians, Californians, Wyomingians. You got Utahonians, Detroitians. or Detroitians. I don't know how they say that. New Yorkers. Pero mira, mira, que lo que está pasando en esta vez. Oye, mira, 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 yo quiero a mi mami. Yo quiero a mi mami, yo quiero a mi mami. Así, así, en cuatro. Vete a ponerte en cuatro. Ven aquí, mami, mami, mami. Ven aquí, ven aquí, ven aquí. Como te gusta, como a ti te gusta. Así, así, así. Como bebe la cudita, así. Como bebe la cudita, así, 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 así. Yo quiero verte, mami, así, así, dame fuego, ahí, dame fuego, ahí. Shut the duck up, Adam. I am. Oh gosh. Oh, look at this. What the? Look at it. Oh my goodness. We make stonks better. Oh my goodness. Is this what's gonna happen? Look at this. He's like, should I buy it? He's like, nah, take everything. Leverage it. Bring it up. The Moonians, the Regatonians, the Moonians, the Apolloonians. You suck and are a disgrace. You fleece the people who saved your fat ass. Fat ass. Oh my goodness, no. That is not real. Please tell me that's not real. AMC Tequila? Stop it. That's pretty much that. Come on now, that's AI. Like you can't even read the freaking letters because it's all like glitched out and everything. That's AI. Dilution incoming. All right, so what are we seeing here? Let's look at the daily real quick. Wow, so AMC actually turned green? Oh, okay. No, that AMC tequila, that was AI. That was fake. There's no tequila for AMC. But I found it interesting. I was like, wait, hold on. I think I'm seeing something here. Una pelota. Una pelota. Let's see. One thing I can say about this. Somehow, some way, my figures keep going up and down every single day. Or with AMC? Did we ever make money on the microwavable popcorn? How much is that anyway? Like $20? Oh. Really? It's only $4 at Walmart for a box of 6 is $35.99. Standard size for $11.63 at Walmart. Um, really? Bucket refills are available for $5.49 plus tax per visit. Damn, they're killing it with that tax. Oh my god. As a matter of fact, hey, let's take a look and can we just take a look at the ingredients? Wait, can we actually look at the back? Ingredients. Ingredients. What? Yellow popcorn kernels and coconut oil with some beta carotene for color, salt, natural flavors, and riboflavin. Really? How about some extra butter? Naturally and artificially flavored. Oh, great. Oh no. Oh my god, how healthy is that, huh? Popcorn, topping oil. What does that include? Soybean oil. Soybean oil? Why? Beta carotene, artificial flavor. Tatayari. What is this? A preservative? Oh no. What is this? Tertiary butyl hydroquinone? Oh no. Oh no. It's a synthetic aromatic organic compound, which is a type of phenol. What does it do to your body? Oh no. According to the National Library of Medicine, cases of vision disturbances have been reported when humans consume TBHQ. The organization also cites studies have found TBHQ to cause liver enlargement, neurotoxic effects, convulsions, and paralysis in laboratory animals. Oh no. Why is TBHQ banned in Japan? The unauthorized food additive is TBHQ, which has been approved for as a food preservative in the United States and other nations. But the reason that TBHQ has not been approved in Japan is that no one has requested the approval, not because of health concerns. I wonder. Listen, and you have a lot of people who are health conscious and literally have OCD, like myself, to look at the back of the package and look at what's on there. I'm sorry to say this, and I used to love Haagen-Dazs. Haagen-Dazs disappointed me when they decided to add soybean oil. Like, are you kidding me? Like, why would you add soybean oil when you only need is milk, cream, and sugar and eggs and other stuff in there? Like, does that make any sense? That is really concerning, in my opinion. But let's see what else is on here. Uh, Citric acid added as antioxidants. You got coconut oil. I mean, it's okay, but then you have natural and artificial flavors. Cheese paste, which uh, includes palm oil, maltodextrin, coconut oil, salt, natural flavors. Yeah, I don't know about that. So, I am, yeah. No, thank you. No, thank you. TBHQ is used in pharmaceuticals. TBHQ is also used in cosmetics. TBHQ is a common preservative in foods like crackers, chips, donuts, popcorn, and pre-made frozen foods. It prevents fat oxidation, which can cause foods to lose flavor, change color, and lose nutritional value. Of course, the FDA considers it to be safe, especially in small amounts. Isn't it awesome to just do our research and do our DD? I just lost Adam $10 million in sales. I'm sorry. Listen, not financial advice. This is just my opinion, all right? We're just doing our research, okay? All right? I'm not trying to get sued or anything like that. Duty calls. Welcome back, Duty calls. Can you comment on the dihydrogen monoxide epidemic in the United States? Dihydrogen monoxide? Is that really a thing here? Dihydrogen monoxide is a chemical that is often used as a hoax to demonstrate how people can be misled by lack of understanding of water's chemical composition. However, if DHMO were a real substance, it could cause many problems, environmental hazards. DHMO is a major component of acid rain and contributes to soil erosion. It's also been found in Antarctic ice. It can cause severe burns. Prolonged exposure to its solid form can cause tissue damage. Ingesting it can cause excessive sweating and urination, nausea, vomiting, and a bloated feeling. Quite interesting. I don't know anything about that, but yeah. So yeah, this is the tweet here, huh? The AA tweet. Again, just to look into it again one more time for duty calls. All right. Wednesday's interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve of 50 basis points should save AMC about $10 million of interest expense per annum, giving us an extra $10 million. $10 million. Oh my God, $10 million or so of cash savings each year. This is such a very good and much welcomed news for AMC. Ka-ching, ka-ching. No one has a perfect crystal ball that can accurately predict the Fed's future rate actions, but wouldn't it be helpful for AMC if the Fed would continue to reduce interest rates by another 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, or more basis points in the near term future? And then it says each such 25 basis point Fed rate reduction could save AMC another approximately $5 million of cash interest expense per year as well. Here's hoping there will be many more rate reductions ahead. He is so He is so optimistic. He is so happy, excited, and he just wants more rate reductions. Yeah. Say word. Okay. That is a little worrisome there. Okay there. Yes, duty calls. Good evening, and how is your Friday doing? How was your day? Cat is back from adulting. Cat is ready for the lotion. For the motion. Say word. So yeah, chart wise. How is this looking like on the weekly right now? Since you've been gone, oh my goodness. Okay, this is the first run. Oops. I did not mean to do that. It's been trending down just a little tad bit though on the weekly. On the daily, we see the green line here on the bottom. It looks like the ADX here on the red line is actually trying to come back down. That's interesting. I need to remove these drawings here. So there you go. Let's see. Well, I mean, the good thing is it seems like it's really holding up pretty well. Right above 460, which was indeed a level of support. And it has been before in the past here. We have a wick here. We have this area here at 460. Looked like there was so many times here since around May 16 where it has been in that range for quite some time. Many touches here, and now we're back here where we ended up. And I just wonder if this is actually going to give us a nice bounce tomorrow. A nice little reversal here, if that's the case. I mean, we do see that there is still some type of bearish divergence on the MACD, but it would have to come back down to this level here in the MACD at minus 0.3037. From there, we would try to see if we can actually pop right back over. What do we also have here? The ADX on a 24-hour. We would you can see here instances where the green line had bounced off back here in August 23rd, back here September 4th, back here September 20th. So and then we would have to wait and see if next week we can see the ADX, the green line, start to turn back around and start to curl up. And we need to see the shade here turn dark red into the green, just like back here. Okay, we need this to start to cross over, and then you can see the trend moving down from the red and then start to transition back into the green, and we'll see this big trend, strong rise on the bullish momentum. Again, there is plenty of time There is, of course, a lot more suppression going on here, but other than that, though, on the 4 hour looks really interesting. Let's see. Fishy says, "Oh wait, hold on. Let's start from here." Cat came back because kids are at the park playing. I read that comment. Could we possibly gap up to that tall, pointy little thingy? Um, do you think Ruben Studdard is underrated? Talking about American Idol's Ruben Studdard. Oh wow. Duty calls. You're just playing You're paying market tuition. Oh wow. To be honest, I got a super good feeling about AMC and GME next week, and yeah, happy as F. Start a new job Monday too. Gonna be in management. Entering the management scene. Duty calls. Congratulations to you. A vet in construction, rookie in the office, but good monies. Yes, sir. Moving up, upgrading, leveling up. That's what's up. And best wishes to you in your new position in management. For sure, for sure. Give him a round of a roar to Duty Calls. Congratulations. Yes, sir. Let's see. Oh, Amy. I want to see a big bar on Amy so I have something to grab onto. Oh, God. Slingshot engaged. Fishy says, yo, where there is a wheel, there is a way. A wheel. So I can keep on rolling. AA keeps diluting, but I keep on holding. Playing the cards I was dealt while you keep on folding. I'm all in it's either bank or busting. God I trust, and God I trust. Got it. He was spitting some bars here. And Fishy, okay. When there's a wheel, there's a way, so I keep on rolling. AA keeps diluting, but I keep on holding. Play the cards I was dealt while you keep on folding. It's all in either bank or bust, and God I trust. Yeah, folding. We got Spy bending over and folding. She's going down on you. To the ground, on the knees. Drop it low, take it slow. You already know. Spy likes to blow holes. Stop it, honey. Interrupt my rap. I'm joking. I got paid to sleep. I think it's cool to know that we can get paid while we sleep, and that would be our dividends, snowballing and making us money. That'll be nice. And take it like the ape you are. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. All right, so the 4 hour, the 4 hour, as we can see right here, we're having a nice little bounce here. Duty calls might be onto something, because we did have a nice engulfed green candle right around the afternoon, and into market close. And then we ended up here just at par with the closing of the last candle, the 4 hour. Um, we did end up actually coming back down a little bit, but we still closed in the green, so that's what matters. Here, and then what we see here in the hourly is a bit of a, well, we did see the push like we were just seeing on the 4 hour, but looks like it was just straight up consolidating because again, like there's usually not a lot of volume during after hours, but surprisingly, today we did get a surge. We did get a really interesting pop during the beginning of market hours. We saw GME also. If we just split the chart here and look at GME and AMC beside each other, um, we can make the comparison here on the 5 minute chart and show you exactly what I mean. So, all right, so you see that GME definitely had a tremendous amount of volume. Just know that we had been having an average of 10 million shares trading, but today's volume was 61.92 million. 61.92 million. And it seems like they got shook. They got scared. GCA says 73% of GME's volume went to the dark pools today. We can definitely look that up on Fintel if it's actually accurate, and see what's going on here. We'll look at GME first. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so off exchange short volume ratio was at 32.74%. So off exchange short volume. Oh, come on now. Off exchange short volume was at 6,614,144 shares. Into the dark pool as dark pool volume. Days to cover for GME at 2.86 days to cover, and short interest percentage of the float at 9.15%. As of 45 minutes ago, we did get to see some shares drop from 950,000 to 550,000. They're losing shares to borrow. Could it continue dropping throughout the night? We would have to see. They did start off maybe more than 2 million shares in the beginning of the day, and then it started to fall, I guess, when we were having this little rally here. Mind you, GME did go up just about 12% in the green, and that is quite exciting. So just imagine the amount of calls to the premiums, the open interests, just building up at this point. Cat is driving. Please be safe, and let us know when you get back safely. I don't care what pool it's in. That is some straight cash. Let's see. GCA says we had tens of millions come in right after hours too. No. What do we have here? Did we? Oh, it's not really showing us the volume on this side. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to turn this like that. Volume. Let's see. Okay, this candle here, 355. It was 1.25 million. Oh wow, that is crazy. So look at this. GCA right here. So right after market close, 5 minutes in, this volume, the candle in this volume was traded just barely 22 million. So someone dumped a crap ton of shares. Uh, that is. Well, hold on. Does that make sense? I'm so confused right now. What? Hold on. Couple of million here. Wow. And then what? They just decided to drop a whole, like pretty much like a majority of the volume that was traded in GME by half. Look at this, 21.97 million in that 5 minute candle, and then it's just 14.98 thousand shares traded in that green candle, then 28.20 thousand in that candle. Let's see. Any other? Okay, everything is just pretty much dry at that point, at that time. Moving forward, yeah, volume was just completely dried up after that. And then we had a little pop here at the last 5 minutes of the aftermarket period, or aftermarket hours. So that is really interesting, honestly. But the fact of the matter is that it did break into new day highs, which is really good. If you take a look at the ADX, the ADX here is pretty much climbing back up. The green line is climbing back up. So you already know this scenario. If you're familiar with the ADX, okay, you gotta see the red pretty much coming down as the green is. Hold on. You gotta see that as the green comes in and starts to cross right over the red, right? And then the shade has to turn green as it moves back up. So that would tell you that the trend is bullish, the momentum is increasing, and also the trend in general. So that would be a good sign. And also you got the MACD also positive, crossing over in a bearish divergence, which is what you would like to see. On the hourly, it's quite interesting because we could see a nice little this case scenario where they could just bounce off, and then you see another leg up happening, and maybe see GME cross back over 22 and beyond. Maybe a lot of FOMO would start to ensue, and people would be like, "Oh my God, is this another rally about to start?" Mind you, there was this bar here. I just adjusted it, and the goal for next week is for Jimmy to reach to $23 a share. In my opinion, not financial advice. If it continues this momentum, this rally that we're seeing here, on the 4 hour as well, the 4 hour has to do exactly the same thing, and therefore continue on to reach those new day highs and bounce back, to where it was before, back in September 10th at around $25 a share. That's the last resistance of that around that time. So that would be awesome. That would actually be wonderful if we see that happen. Mind you, if you haven't taken this as a swing trade, then you already know that this would have been a nice entry for calls, and then you would have been able to get out at the peak here, get into some puts from here and drop it like it's hot, and then from here calls. I mean, imagining if it actually, maintains strength and starts to push a lot more with FOMO and all of that stuff, that would be great, So what's going on here? Momo, please take "It's okay to text and drive" out of your notes. How to drive. Oh shoot, damn, you cut an ass on Momo. That's crazy. Zelly's just letting him have it right now. Sheesh. Put your stunner shades on and put your stunner shades on. Ghost Rider with E40 posting your song in the dungeon. I heard a tuber say that when GME gets to 20, a big purchase has been made in the past. How would someone actually figure that out? You know? Um, let's see. I mean, did it happen? When it got to 20? Let's look at the past. Let's look at the last rally and find out right now. Um, we got a support right down here at 1750. From here, this is 20. This is a support right above $20. I do not see that there has been a situation like that. Maybe I could be wrong. Maybe it was way back in the past. But it has been around this range for some time for sure. I need to fix this. I'm sorry, I need to fix this because this looks pretty wacky right now. He said it. I wonder who said it. But then again, I wouldn't be surprised. But the fact of the matter is that we are. I mean, we're just pretty much looking at how this had a nice uptrend overall from that point around August 5th. Remember that? This thing was at 1750, then going up to a high of 185. Then 22. And you could see it here. I mean, it kept making a stair step. It just kept stair stepping up and up more and more throughout the month of August, and then heading into the end of August, almost at the end of August, then we just saw this big sell off. I would say this was probably around the time where this spot was also selling to. But the last time, I mean, pretty much was here at about 1979 and on August 28th. And this was during after hours, and we had this big surge and go up to almost 21 bucks. Then another surge here going to 22 and a half bucks, and then the next surge going up to 24.69, and then eventually here by September 10 heading to a high of 25.24 before taking another huge dump, and coming back all the way down. I mean, look at this. Like, imagine placing put orders here and then just coming out at this point. But if you're talking about here, if you're talking about this range right over here, you can see that it has been in a range between 1950 and almost 21 bucks, just about. And then the high that we got here from today at 22.03. So we would just have to see if the MACD on the what is that, on the hourly, if it actually tends to break back down and cross under the orange line, because this the bars here is dark blue and it's actually coming back down in momentum. So, you know, we have these levels here that we've been seeing on GME on the MACD. So if anything, we just gotta, keep track of this. But what I do see here, and as Chris Wilson is back in the chat, good to see you, Chris. Happy Friday. You can see this had a massive green trend here on the ADX, but we do see a little curl up here on the red line, these bands. So theoretically, if the green line continues to actually slope down lower and lower, then, and if we see that red line start to curl right back up and start to push up and cross each other, that's not a good sign, because then we would have to start pulling right back under the 200-day EMA at like 2088, 2085, and then just come back to the support around 1955 and 20 bucks. Unless something else happens, unless Roaring Kitty made a purchase. I mean, that would be another case scenario for GME. But we're not so sure. The only thing we're able to do is just speculate. Let's see. We got some key facts here. GameStop Corporation reported to. Okay, that was. Let's see. Hold on. Key facts today. Was that really key facts today? Second quarter sales of $798 million, below estimates, but earned 1 cent per share. Oh wow. Let's see. What is this? 8 and KG and Diddy, all Punk, BZ, Mob, Momo, and Zelly, and EG. Some real Jeezy. Getting this money. We flyer than honey. Enrico, you don't want the smoke. Chico, you look with the bean. You get burnt. You get burnt. Thank you. You gonna get that little tweet? You wanna get a little tweet? Little tweet. And get a tweet. Get the burrito. And the minute the cotito. Chupate el huevito. Interesting. Dame the burrito. Bling 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 bling. Just give me 1 second as I transition back. Don't get the boot. Are you going to get hoot? Big block of buy orders after hours? What was this? Oh, Gin Medical. What? Gin Medical's back with another pump? Oh, thank you, Zelly. Thank you. Wow. Oh, okay. Here we go. I was just about to like type in order flow, options order flow for GME to see what's going on, and it seems like another $65 million worth of shares traded in the dark pool after the close already. Jeez. Thanks to Big JR. Raw. Raw. All right, let's check this out together. Duty says we're gonna get the tweet from Kitty and portfolio update. I bet and or find out what Jimmy really is doing with that pirate stash of what 4 billion in cash. I could have sworn it was 7 billion in cash before. Let's see. Oh, right here. 2184, 2185, 2185. So these are all the. Oh, damn. Okay, 59 million in volume. Oh, this was the premium over here. Oh my goodness. The amount of shares. Holy crap. This was closed right here, 16. 94,000, 60,000 shares, 46,000 shares, 883,000 shares, 140,000 shares, 321,000 shares, 60. Oh my god. That's crazy how they could just like take in all those shares and just dump it into dark pool. Let's see, 92 million. A $92 million trade hits the dark pool at 10:20 in the morning for 4.67 million shares. Wow. What on earth? Yo, that's crazy. Oh, Benjamin. What's going on? Happy Friday, Benjamin. What's going on? How was the rest of your week? How was your Friday? What up? I saw what? That is nuts. Oh, Carissa. Shout out to Carissa. Wow. Let's look at the comments here. The eagle craps for me in 4 days. Let's effing go. Is that a butterfly, dragonfly, or a star? Oh my god. Get ready for the next leg up. Load your bags. Options chains are also lit up. Do they have to settle the dark pool volume on the lit exchange throughout the day? Oh my god. Alright, cut it out. Cut it out right now. Stop it. You know that noise. Cut it out. Thank you. Buy back low, sell high. That VWAP order. Oh my god. All of a sudden, dark pools are okay because they are pumping the stock. Make it make sense, people. Oh wow! So then he made an update 5 hours ago, talking about how there was over $110 million traded in the after hours. Goodness gracious, what is going on?
Huh?
Oh, thank you. That is insane. Just looking at the number right here. This could be something crazy. Oh, word! Benjamin with the gifted. Give him a big roar for that. And look who he gifted. Kai was gifted. Unbelievable. Flames on the chat for Kai. Shout out to Kai Supreme. Who's been slacking. You're supposed to be out here flaming with us and talking. You know we miss you, Kai. You know we miss you. Big roar to Benjamin and Kai. Thank you so much for that gifted. I mean, shoot, let me see. Yeah, you know, but my general. Flames on the chat, flames on the chat. Flames on the chat. Shout out to Kai. Flames in the chat. Yeah, somebody show this to Kai when you get the chance. Be like, yo, Kai, you just got gifted by Benjamin, the Attorney General to the General. I appreciate that, bro. Much love to you on the gifted. Thank you. I do that, holla blade, holla blade. I do that, holla blade. You know with me one thing. I do that, holla blade. And there can only be one thing, baby. Baby, pick up that phone, yeah. Let me tell you something on the speakerphone. Bling, 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 bling. Just make that hotline ring, 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 ring. Let me give you that ring, yeah. You know what time it is. Ring, 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 ring. Bling, 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 bling. Pa, pa, la, 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 la. So the drop after earnings wasn't from the offering, similar to IEP. If this move only began today. Wow. What do you guys think about that? Massive trading in the dark pools. Over $100 million, probably even more than that, traded. God, I mean, like, is that such a crazy thing or what? Oh my gosh. And Eric G with the 99 centos. The 99 centavos. With the shades. Shout out to Eric with the shades. What is going on? Whew. Thank you. Thank you so much. Whew. Oh. Whoa. 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 99. Whoa. Rockets in the chat. Fabric G, that G, that G. What I was gonna do is, let's see, I was going to go to flow, big flow. Oh, might as well just, you know what's crazy? I might as well, might as well just show you how to work this, how to work the commands here on Discord with the bots that we have here. So in case you want to look at the flow, the options flow for any ticker, for example GME, you got, you have open BB bot and you have unusual whales. So you got different types here. You got returns, the most recent flow for a stock, top 20 flow by premium for a stock with opening something. Returns a chart with sum of premium per day by call put. Let me see. Can I expand this? Hold on. Day by call put. Flow sectors. Summary of all flow by percentage of market cap by sectors. Someday. Summary. Unusual options trade over 100. So let's look at that, for example. Can we not look at the ticker symbol? Hold on, what is this? Oh, okay. So it shows you unusual options and trades over 100k premium, 100,000 premium. And you can see here MicroStrategy, Coin, Amazon, Google. Let's see. Will it show us something else? CrowdStrike? Wow. Tesla. Let's see. Dell, DFS, Unilever. Okay. Now to look at the actual flow of options. Let's see. Big flow. And then we go to ticker. Type in GME. Click on GME. And press on enter. Let the data load. And it looks like someone had a massive amount of premium here of the $15 calls expiring on October 18. The time this was purchased was 10:38 in the morning Eastern time, with over 375.83 thousand in premium. Then we have the $20 strike here with 248.40k in premium. Open interest is a lot higher with 13,409. $20 strike expiring October 18. You already know that order. Whoever bought those is going to be caking next week if they didn't sell. In my opinion, so that is interesting there. How do you like that flow? How do you like that flow? Mi pájaros. We changing pictures? What are we talking about here? Let's see. And then let me just quickly check the flow for AMC. I'm just curious. There's probably not gonna be much, but let's see. Oh really? Somebody had gotten in the money. $4 strike, $4 calls, expiring November 15 with 93,000 in premium. Another one here bought just not that far from each other. So one at 1:05 p.m. and then one at 1:29 p.m. About another 92.53k in premium with the same calls, same expiration. Then Wow, there was a one order for $4.50 cent call, expiring also on November 15th. There's a lot of November 15 expiration date calls for $4 and 4.50. Not financial advice, by the way. Hmm. This is on the lean ask. This was expired already. So just these three? Okay. Okay, and then there's one here for the $5 strike calls, expiring December 20th of 2024. Bought at 10:36 in the morning. Here with an open interest of 3,127, and the premium was 27.78K on the ask. This would definitely do well, in my opinion. And they're being smart about it. They're buying way out in the expiration, just a couple of months away. So you definitely know that, how EMC looks. You can definitely tell that we're not that far away from 5. This breaks over, those premiums are gonna be cost a lot. They're gonna be worth a lot more. You know? Yeah, Zelly's out of sync. Probably by like 2 minutes. Oh, what's going on here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So, emergency. There is a big... I don't know how this came out of nowhere, but... I think people need... Whoever is in... near Texas, near Louisiana, around those areas, the Gulf, needs to be careful because they're already there's somebody that posted about a major hurricane. States must prepare because this looks like it's about to explode. Put it out. Stop it. Stop it! Yes, Zelly, you are... Yeah, somebody let him know. As a matter of fact, hold on, let me, I gotta go ahead and, oh my god. Jesus. Too much, you're doing too much right now. Honey, stop. It's because you're hearing the water right now. I mean, I don't know if he's aware about it, but I'm gonna post a video here. Yeah, it's definitely a jungle here. I mean, like, I got a loud bird, I got loud parents, you know. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no. Yes, that's what my mom is just doing right now, Pam. So you so it's funny how you just said that. She said good night, yeah. Cover her ass up. Or his ass up, apparently he's a male. Ma, if it's a boy, why do they call it honey? Oh, so it goes both ways? Are you sure that's not his stripper name? Are you sure that's not his What? I don't know. A stripper name, maybe. Oh, Cariño? Yeah, Cariño. Cariño, honey. Cariño. Ay, cariño, no hay cariño. I couldn't eat it because I ate it like meat on a stick earlier. Like two lamb. And then I bought that. Ay, cariño, no hay cariño. Which of the two? God, that tastes so good. Get a cat? Nah, my parents are allergic. So unfortunately that's not gonna be a good idea. Oh look, you see, look. Someone bought 4,670,078 shares of GameStop for $92 million. Remember that Roaring Kitty did have about what, like 260 something million in cash in his account, ready to load up. He might just strike again. But a lot of people are getting hyped right now on what's been happening on the dark pool with GME, so that is going to be something that we're going to have to watch very closely next week. I think Honey's pissed. Honey's really pissed. Poor thing. Oh, look, even after hours in the dark pool? Really? Wow, 351,000 at 475. Premium was at 2 million. 100,000 for 475 as well. 474,000. Look at this premium. Look, 2 million shares at $4.76. Premium was $11 million. Oh. 966,000 shares at 476. Premium was $5 million and a volume of 24 million shares. Oh, wow. What is going on here? That's just a dark pool feed, apparently, supposedly. Look, right here. Somebody caught this on, well, I mean, we don't know exactly what the reasoning is. I mean, what the reason is. You can see it here. 966.30K, 1.23 million here at the same time from each other. But then again, yeah, it's true. Today was quad witching day. I think it's because the water is still on. The water is still on, so it's reacting to the water. I think it likes the sound of the water. I don't know. What else? Alright, let's go ahead and reload this and see if anything has changed. Okay, it's still the same here. Cost to borrow actually went up just a little bit on the max here. 0.76. Interesting. Let's go to AMC real quick. And look at that. Off exchange short volume ratio at 52.99%. Wow. Short interest ratio 6.06 days to cover. You can see there was 1 million shares there loaded up. ready to short. And as an hour ago, there's only 650,000 left. Cost to borrow is still relatively the same as the other days, just a little lower than before. That is insane. Wow. All right. How about that? The party is in unverified. What is going on here? Tell everyone before the party is in unverified. What happened? Did something happen? Wait a minute. Oh my god, wait, hold on. Did something just happen? Oh shoot. Get him a pool? I wish I had a space in the cage for a pool. Then, you know, we don't have to worry about making a mess. I mean, I really don't have much space around in this apartment. Crappy apartment here. Just saying. Let's see. Oh, what the heck? How does my post come out first here? That's weird. A little blow up one. A blow up. Oh, that's cute. Oh goodness. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Well, here's an interesting, something interesting here. So let's say Spy has a blow off top. That could also solve the negative divergence, right? I agree with your analysis, but try to think how negative divergences get invalidated. Right. Let's see here. This pattern keeps repeating, I think 2 weeks. Blood. That's on a 4-hour chart. A little side door? Maybe. Okay. And a waterfall? Oh. That is cool. Oh, okay. Like a little bird basin. That is cute. Oh, Timu. Oh gosh. Please don't. What? No, come on, stop it. You know what this reminds me of? Freaking Mumu. Timu. Wait, hold on. And then Mumu is orange too. Wait a minute. Oh, tinfoil hat. I don't know why, but I was like, wait, hold on. Because, you know, Mumu, like, I mean, look at this though. Look, isn't that crazy? Am I just bugging right now? Like, am I bugging? Or am I, or because they're both from China. Wait, where did it go? I think it went away. Is that funny or what? They're gonna be like, yo, Mumu and Timu. I mean, like, come on now. Temu is an online marketplace by the Chinese e-commerce company PDD. Oh, Pinduoduo. It offers heavily discounted consumer goods, which are mostly shipped to consumers directly from China. And yeah, I mean, yeah, I must be bugging out right now. Dookie. I don't even use Mumu like that. I just wanted to see that basin. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'm bugging. Wish is way better than Temu. And speaking of Wish, like whatever happened to Wish? Is it Wish? Wish does it not exist anymore? It doesn't exist? Ticker symbol Wish? Did it get delisted or something? I'm guessing it did. Okay. Interesting. Alright. Bird bath. Forest and Conure. Gosh, there's just so many items from Temu. Like, it's just overloaded. It's taken over. Sheesh. Oh, that's cool. See, that's actually pretty cool because it don't splash outside of the. It don't splash outside of the cage, so the floor doesn't get wet. That's pretty cool. A hanging bird bath cube bird. Oh, okay. Jimmy to 30. I would hope so. With the massive activity that was happening in the dark pools today, and AMC too. So who knows if something is actually getting set up for the next couple of weeks. In my opinion, not financial advice. Oh, look at the lovebirds. I used to have those too. This one especially. I used to have this one. And I used to have a cockatiel in yellow. Honey needs to bathe. Honey needs to bathe, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh no. Oh no. What do we got here? We got here. What do we got here? Oh, what do we got here? I think, you know what? I think it's very possible. Especially in the way that this actually popped. It kind of reminds me of what happened here back in May. May 2nd. We had that similar pop. Right here. Pop. And then the next pop. What happened? Pop. It popped an extra $5 up. So overall, this was a good 60%. A 60% run in 2 days. If this would actually repeat itself as well, I mean from this point, and then we get another pop. That pop would easily, in 1 day, that would easily get to $25. If not, here would be, I mean, depending on the volume and the situation that is occurring in the dark pools. Like, I mean, what if, you know, we can only just speculate, but it's pretty much back to 30 if that's the case. Yeah, so you're pretty much on point with that prediction there. And that's what it pretty much looks like. It looks like it's just another setup for another slingshot there. Pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. So that would have to be considered as, I mean, if the max pain was at 30 for next Friday, or then we would definitely have something going on there. Let's see. Let's go to the options chain and find out. For next Friday, well, I think this needs to be updated because it still says the max pain is 20. Still says 20 here. October 4th we got 20. October 11th we got 20. October 18th we got 20. What? Yeah, that makes no sense. 20. January 17th we got 20. What? Yeah, I don't know. I don't really think that I just don't think that that's, like, what is this? It all just shows 20. Something is up. That makes no sense. Let me look at the options chain real quick for GME. For GME. I'm going with what Kat said. Perhaps we can hit 30 at that point, you know, where we have ourselves a nice looking engulfing yellow, which is supposed to be green, but it's yellow because I changed it to yellow. A yellow engulfing bullish candle already broke over the 13, the 30, and just right under the 48-day EMA. Whereas if it actually breaks back over, I mean, we would have to find out we would have to wait until Sunday night when the 24-hour markets open up for Robinhood, and then we would see from there if we get a surprise for GME. And quite frankly, I think that $25 a share would be just easy to get to if the momentum is just perfect and a lot of volume, great volume, and trying to get this thing back to $30 a share. I mean, how do you like that? How do you like them apples? How do you like that? I need to stop doing that. My gosh. But I think that that would have to be the key scenario here for now. First we would have to get to 25 for next week. And then afterwards, if it continues to build up in momentum and go crazy in foam and everything else combined, then we could look into seeing 30 for the next week. So I mean, given the time frame, I would like to say 2 weeks. Just a prediction, all right? And of course, not financial advice, just in our opinion. So thanks to Kat for that prediction there. And if we're looking at the calls, just remember that we had huge volume from the $20 strike at 33,691 in volume, 17,000 for the $20.50 strike, 44,475 in volume for the $21 strike, and 23,832 volume for the $21.50 strike. The next one was even higher at 53,219 for the $22 strike, which was just in the money for just a couple of moments, and then it came back down. We were just this close to getting in the money. But let's look at the options for next Friday. Look at that. A lot of people loading up for the $25 calls already for next week's expiration, with 20,236 in volume. $24 strike with 10,348. $22 strikes, even more than the $25 strikes in volume, with 22,548. Nice delta, good looking delta, a little bit of gamma, right? You gotta have just a little bit of gamma, not too much. And already having a great percentage of gains of people getting into these calls. You know, get in and get out. That is the name of the game right now. And giving you a lot more ammo if you were to theoretically buy more shares. That would definitely help you out, which is also a good strategy if you were to do options to shares or vice versa. That is a quite an extraordinary plan, a great plan. Yo, I can't stop. Yeah, I can't stop, dude. I swear. Ever since Eric got me into that episode, dude, it's so addicting. What about the October 18 calls? Let's see. You have a lot of volume here building up for the $25 strike calls for October 18, and the $30 calls here with 6,622 open interest. Look, and it's just the 25 and the 30, both almost at par with the same amount of open interest, over 19,000. It's insane. And look, even the $40 calls, with a 10,381 open interest with 2,544 volume. Incredible here. Look at this. How they're just massively, like, I don't know why people would actually go to $125 a share unless they knew something. I never understood the whole method in actually just loading up crazy into way out of the money calls $125 price strike for those calls. Like, wouldn't you want to be a little closer? You know? Let's look at the Januaries real quick. The January's here with the $25 call with some decent volume and the 30. And what we got here? High open interest for the $60 straight calls. And of course the 125 here as well. What are they building up for? What is the whole meaning to this, right? It's quite exciting, wouldn't you say? June 20th, 2025 is another one, but not too much because obviously those are way too expensive for their tastes. But that is your little sneak peek in volume. Let's see, October 18 for AMC. We have a huge open interest, almost 20,000 in open interest, and almost 2,000 in volume for the $6 strike calls. AMC. All right, play this as you would, and think about it. You got a lot of volume here for the $10 strike calls. A lot of open interest. But what would you say, in your opinion, guys and gals? What would you do? Would you actually play out 28 days from now? Or would you actually play it a little bit more further? All right. Maybe some November 15. You got high open interest for the $7 calls there. December 20th. Looks like the $8 calls have something going on there. We do have a lot for the $22 strike, of course, because they're all loading up in the last strike. I don't know why. That is strange to me. But if you look at the January 17, 2025 calls, a lot of volume there. Decent price there. 30. Well, you got at the ask of 37 per contract. Interesting. I'm thinking we're gonna have to take this conversation to Discord, because this is actually quite interesting, quite intriguing, you might say, because now I am actually really interested in looking into these, just watching them, and maybe we can definitely pounce on an opportunity here. So let's see what happens. If it were me, all right, don't follow me on this. Don't. All right, it's not for you guys to buy and sell or do anything like that. This is just strictly in my opinion and what I would do if I had buying power. Not financial advice. I would go for something that's gonna give me a lot of contracts for a good price. Something that's gonna give me a lot of time. A good strike, a strike that is quite realistic in these types of situations, if you might agree. And I think that I would have to go for the $10 strike calls for AMC January 17, 2025. You got 119 days from now. Decent delta. It's not too bad. 28 cents a pop. Definitely gives you a lot of time because time decay, or aka theta, is not affecting the value of your calls much. And I'm pretty so. You know what? Might as well just give you a quick scenario. Might as well just give you a little basic tutorial here. All right. Okay. Is this... Wait, hold on. Is this... Is this public worthy? Or is this more private worthy? I wonder. Or is it better if I gave you guys a video instead? Because I know you guys are going to want to enjoy the rest of your Friday night, and relax, and take your mind off, and and prepare yourself for next week. So maybe I can do a little video for you guys and gals, and what I would do hypothetically, and show you if we were to run into the same scenario as May. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just do it now and get it over with? Or should I just post it on I'll make it private. I'll post it and then I'll put it on the Discord. Momo reminds me of the meme you posted in the Discord. That's crazy. I can't imagine being in profits again. It would be a miracle in a way. Definitely. You sell your mom's a... Can't really blame him. His best interest is in the company, not the shareholders. I mean, that's pretty much like 99.9% of CEOs, right? They're all about their business, but they're like, oh, come on, shareholders, keep buying, so I can just sell more and sell more. I make a whole lot of bonuses and a lot of profit from all of you. Imagine that, huh? What the hell? Oh gosh. That is hilarious. Wait, why is my dude is shirtless? Oh my god, on Twitter, dude, like for real? Like nobody wants to see your bird chest. It makes no sense, like for real? Anyway, let's see. Um, it, I mean, look. I mean, we already have so much that we have dealt with when it came to his tweets and his moves as a CEO and all the dilution and ape and whatever you can list. I mean, I'm pretty sure the list goes on. It doesn't defeat the purpose that we're still in the process of seeing history repeat itself. And they're really managing GME and AMC to the point, or they have been, and 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 at the same time where everything seems to be aligning with what's happening in the economy, what's happening with banks, hedge funds, tensions, geopolitical tensions, everything that's happening overseas in Asia, the markets over there, and it's trickling down over here to the United States, and everything that is all correlated together in what we see as the signs for the inevitable to happen. Um, it it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Little things keep getting exposed left and right, and building up and building up and building up with so much pressure that it's just again like a matter of time before everything is out there. The real data, the real numbers, the real situation that's happening. Everybody just finds out. Um, hmm. I mean, like, geez, like, what else to think about this? Like, this is just something that even though it's been taking quite some time, and a lot of time, and we've been in this for how many? Almost 4 years. In a couple of months, it'll be January, and it'll be 4 years in the making. But also, we're approaching October, and in the history of the markets, especially when it comes to October. I mean, mind you, remember what happened. Remember what happened 14 years ago? Was it 14 years ago, or was it 18? 14, 18. Can't do math. So 16 years ago, it'll be 16 years in the making when the 2008 crash happened. And it just so happened, like we discussed before, that September 18, 2008, the same thing happened when they started cutting rates again by 50 points. The same thing happened September 18th of this year. And we discussed what happened afterwards, back in 2008. So I would not be surprised the least if they would actually create the same scenario, have history repeat itself, and with the same thing that happened to Volkswagen, in my opinion, would have to happen to GME, AMC, and all the other heavily shorted stocks that have been heavily leveraged by the usual. And once everything starts to hit the fan, and we see this little piece of caca called Spy start to melt away. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Huh, that would have been funny, actually, if this was. It's funny. I wanted to go all the way like this. Like this. And say wee all the way down. Wee. Can you imagine that? But then again, this is all like wrong right now. Nah, it doesn't match though. I don't know how these people actually do the fractals or the bars patterns. I know there was somebody that I used to watch a lot, take fractals and then try to predict the next move for the spy and for other stocks. You know. Um, let's see. Oh yeah. Uh. Hmm. I'd stick my daily money in BTC and double it. Um. Hmm. Right. Huh. At least you didn't buy pizza with it. Oh my god, yeah, I remember that dude that actually bought pizza with Bitcoin. Oh, dude. That is insane. I remember that and it was I kid you not, like I swear, I feel like he to this day is probably kicking himself in the butt on the fact that he could have been rich and instead bought pizza with Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean it happens. But we have a new coin. Oh, hello. Do you ever think that this has like somewhat of a same algo? In a way, I feel like it does. Um, hmm. Hmm. I don't know. Let's see. Bitcoin's probably having a hard time. If you look at the daily, I'm yawning. Ladies and gentlemen, I've just created a Zelly bot and entering in automatic messages. Yeah, so talk is a new ticker lion. Talk is a new ticker lion. I like talks too. You know what I do? Dookie dookie do. Let's see, what does it look like here on the weekly? On the weekly it looks wild. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. You know what's crazy? I'm not even gonna front, but this looks it's all starting to curl back up. Something is, I don't know. But then again, this is a big, big whopper. A big whopper. Looks like this is the pattern on the daily, because every time we had a big boost, dropped here, dropped here, dropped here. Could get the same scenario where it would actually pick up a little bit and then start to drop again within the month of October. I wonder what Bitcoin will do. Looks like we're getting a double top here on this indicator. So we would have to see if it actually makes another timber too. I did have somewhat of a situation going on here. I know this looks like a mess, but I was figuring out that maybe we would have 4 touch points. But since this actually managed to break out, it wasn't as accurate, but I feel like, this could still be considered as number 3. Or if anything, I don't know. That's crazy. Oh man. Yeah, Momo. I had ETH at 500 to 600 in 2021, not BTC. Well, because it was a lot cheaper at the time too. Oh wow. Oh my god. What we got here? Precious metals chat. Okay. Oh, thank you for sharing this, Eric. Yeah, that's a work of art. Beautiful. Thank you for that. Yeah. Let's see. Daily. If not, I'm probably gonna have to like start, maybe might have to start adjusting some lines here. Maybe I remove everything and start it off from scratch. Oh my god, what? Yo, CrowdStrike is CrowdStrike squeezing or something? Because this looks brolic as hell. I kid you not, like look at the trend here on the MACD for CrowdStrike. Wow. That is insane, and it has a signal right here. Wow. Looks like it just might fill up this gap all the way back to like 335. I mean, I don't know if it's actually that possible, but jeez. All even the 13 EMA is literally crossing over the 30. And it's all moving up pretty intensely. Oh, we're gonna have to see if it breaks over to 315 next week. What we got? ETH actually rejecting off the 48 EMA. It's down at $2,547 per ETH coin. I have it all, Momo. I have it all. Yeah. Over the last 10 days, whales have amassed over 380 million XRP worth roughly $228 million, suggesting that XRP is about to stage a bullish breakout. Large holders' substantial accumulation frequently reflects their belief in a future price spike. In the short to medium term, there may be a catalyst for upward momentum due to the recent whale activity, which indicates significant interest in XRP at its current price levels. Charts by TradingView. By examining the given price chart, we can observe that XRP is presently moving in a symmetrical triangle pattern. This traditional technical sign of consolidation frequently appears before a breakout in any direction. A breakout is likely because the price has been coiling up close to this triangle's upward trend line. If the triangle is broken upward, more buying interest will probably follow, pushing XRP closer to its higher price targets. And at the moment, XRP is trading close to 58 cents, which is slightly below important moving averages. Let's see here. Assuming bullish momentum persists, XRP may eventually challenge 70 cents if it breaks above the 60 cents resistance level. The next major target will be 64 cents. But XRP might retreat to its lower support level, which is around 55 or even 50 cents if the price is unable to break out and is rejected at the current resistance levels. Only then would it likely attempt a new breakout. Okay. Where's XRP at? TP. XRP is gone. Hold on. Wait, are we actually moving down? Wait, hold on. I think we're... Are we actually selling off here? Ooh. Okay. Where's XRP at? Okay, so yeah, actually it's taking the same. So it looks like XRP could actually lose support. Huh. Oh, it's actually moving along with Bitcoin, actually. And XLM with a random push here. Wow, you guys see this? Something is happening with XLM. Is that what I'm seeing right now? Wow. Look at that. Oh? Ooh. Ooh, okay. Wow. Alright. Oh, this setup looks crazy. Say word. My. I mean, if it could be the case, but I don't know. Because the flow looks like it has been dropping down little by little, but I'm not too sure how this will play out, because look, we had a nice bounce here. Word. And it's been building back in momentum to the upside, and I mean, I would love it if we would actually see some breakout here, crossover, and perhaps maybe get a push back over back to 10 cents. So that's something. We'll have to keep an eye on XLM here a little bit. What else? We'll see what happens. But as of right now, though, I think XRP is facing some bearish divergence there. You could see this try to trend down some more. Heck, you know what? You might as well just give us 50 cents for XRP, because I would definitely love to get in that into that price level and dollar cost average. You could see it here too as well, how this thing works. It's like a flow, you know. You could see on this candle here as well. Zali. Thank you. Oh wow. Giving a big roar to Zali. Yes. Big roar to Zali. Roar. Oh, that wasn't it. That was not it. Shout out to the one and only. Yours truly. Zali of all Zen for the gifted. Thank you so much. Roar. Oh, you see, look at that. There's a little bit of a pullback here about to happen on XRP. If this actually fulfills. Okay, so I think you really, Momo, did you check to see if your account is under a brand account? Because you have to make sure that it's not under a brand account. You can actually change that, and that's the reason why. That's the reason why, like, you can't get gifted. So they have to enable gift acceptance. Subscribers must manually opt in to be eligible to receive gifted memberships. This is done by clicking on the Allow Gifts option when prompted on a stream where gifted memberships are offered. If they don't opt in, they won't be considered for a gifted membership. Be active on the channel. YouTube tends to prioritize active users for gifted memberships. This means that users who watch, comment, or engage with a channel's content are more likely to receive a gifted membership than someone who isn't as active. Random selection after opting in and being active. The actual gifting is random. The stream's channel owner or other subscribers may purchase memberships to gift, and YouTube randomly distributes the among eligible viewers. You see? It says yes, if a YouTube account is set up as a brand account, the user cannot receive gifted memberships on live streams. This is a known limitation. To be eligible for gifted memberships, the YouTube account must be a regular personal account. If someone is using a brand account and wants to receive gifted memberships, they would need to switch to or create a personal account. So you got to go to your YouTube settings, look under the account section to see if it's listed as a branded account, and if it is, then you would need to either switch to a personal account or create a new one to opt in for gifted memberships. So there you go. Bling. Momito, momosote, momo, le gusta con el plomo, come como, chomo, como fongo. Pamela la is peaking. Pamela la is peaking. Let's see. Zelly is a ghost. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. No. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Be acting like you were a ghost. Roaming around. You can't see my words and what I'm saying to you. But I'm attracted to you. So you better come back to this chat and message me. Stop acting like a ghost. Stop acting like a ghost. You've been leaving me hanging. You've been leaving me hanging on this chat. Better come back. Better come back. Come back to me. Come back to me. To me. All right. So let's see. All right. That's enough. Okay. That's enough. Hey, I got a like from J Bravo. Cool. He liked my comment. That's cool. I just got a like on my comment by J Bravo. Oh my god. Yay. And I said, next week is doomed for the S&P 500. History will repeat itself, not financial advice. And he just liked the comment. It's funny. He acknowledges me. Oh my god, I'm famous. Hey, Pam, you never know. I'm telling you, some people out there have similar stories, and you just never know. You never know who you may run into, and they might have similar experiences, and you may touch their hearts, and your channel could build up. You stay consistent. You take videos of yourself doing DoorDash or Uber. You get yourself, one of those like body cams. So All right. Start me. Okay. Hitch is new. Take people next date. Uber there. DoorDash. I'm over here. Got Will's ticket. Spread pop. Tart love. I'm a burner. There's a lot of us. Go spread that peace vibes. Positive vibes. Not the other POS. That's his jam. Energy. Bubbles. That's his jam. Everything you need to know for next week's action is in the one chart. Figure it out. Shoulders. Interesting. Speaking of Graham, you know what? Graham, I remember she came on yesterday's stream, I believe, or was it Wednesday? And then it was already market close. But then Grant, I think she came through, but then nobody was on the chat, so I felt bad. I was like, damn. So I went ahead and I tagged her, but she wasn't there anymore, so. Uh-oh. Ooh, what do we have here? No Diddy. I'm gonna share a link on the Discord, actually. Pamela la 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 la. Pamela la la la. Pamela la la la. Let's see, Shao, I can appreciate that I'm from a place where the Wild West comes alive. We host the largest rodeo in California. I'm sure my booties were captured on video. Bro, I want to go to that one. Kid Rock has something he's starting to rodeo competition. Yo, spring break in Daytona Beach is off the hook. Pamela la la la. So, oh my god, I feel like it's been a long time already. And I feel like it's probably time to get some rest. What do you guys say? Guys and gals, what do you say? Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some rest because I'm just like whatever. Sleep o'clock, WTF? Yeah, I think it's been a long week, and you know, my voice is groggy too, so I gotta get my old ass some rest, and hoping for a good weekend. And to everybody, I know I wish I could stay on for a little bit longer, but you know, I gotta let y'all enjoy the rest of your Friday evening, or y'all can enjoy it in the dungeon. Pam, I'm surprised you don't have Discord. But y'all already know what to do. I mean, y'all can go ahead and hit up the dungeon for some more talks, and a party with Kat, maybe some poker games and stuff like that. So just make sure, yeah. All right, y'all. All right, guys and gals. Once again, thank you, everyone. It's always been a pleasure. It's always been a blast with all of you, and being able to spend time with all of you, and have fun conversations, and learn from each other, support each other, and shout out to Craig for that too as well, and helping out Pam. Shout out to my favorite all-time mod, Zelly, for everything that you do. Thank you, love you, and giant hugs. The list goes on, and it goes for everybody else too as well. I appreciate the love, the support. Appreciate the vibes, the vibrations, and the energy that y'all bring. I know there's a lot of people that are missing in the chat too as well, so shout out to them. And thank you, Eric, Momo, Kat, Adrian, aka Fishy, Pam. Shout out to you, and it's good to see you again as well. Jesse, Momo. Thank you to Johnny as well. Kevin Man, Chris Wilson, Benjamin, Dang. Kenneth Investments. Shout out to him. Shout out to Raising Wedgies or Moistly. Shout out to Kai, who just got gifted by Benjamin, and that also reminds me. Shout out to Benjamin and Zully for the gifted, and Eric for the 99 centavos with the shades on. Appreciate you, fam. And shade everybody else. Duty calls. Duty calls. Shout out to you. I appreciate your vibes as well. And you know what? I'm gonna come out with just a little private basic video on like how I would do my options. If it helps out, then that'll be great, and it'll be fun. And you know, you guys enjoy your weekend. Have a blast. Clear your mind from the market, and then when it comes to Sunday night, prepare yourself and watch out for futures. Watch out for the dollar. You know, watch out for precious metals and oil, and do your own DD. And that reminds me as well that anything that was being said on this stream and on chat was strictly in our opinion and not financial advice. So, that being said, much love to everybody. Positive vibes. Giant hugs. And Honey says Honey sends his vibes too as well. All right. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next stream. In the Lion's Den with yours truly. With love, Lion of all trades. Spamming, just spamming those hearts. Just spam those hearts. Oh my god, there's a lot going on in the dungeon. Spam those hearts, because you already know. You already know. I'm excited for all of you, and I can't wait for this to happen. So keep manifesting and keep dreaming big. I'll see you in a little bit. Not financial advice. Okay. All right. Signing off in 3, 2, 1. Tatlo, 2, 1.